Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Come take a test drive today.